Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with my next video, that is 2021 December, Pisces, my next zodiac sign. So let's see what we have for Pisces in the month of December. Okay, Pisces. Okay, so Pisces, you all are healing from certain emotional issues. That's what I feel. You're gaining your strength back, mental strength back, which you were not okay all this time. Okay. So in the month of December, Pisces, I need you to calm down. I know you're healing from the past issues. You've been through a bad time emotionally in the past. You want to your aim is to basically be generous to people, earn that much money and that much status that you are able to give people, I feel the first week of December there's an offer coming your way, Pisces. Please keep your eyes open, because this offer could be an offer of friendship. This offer could be an offer at work. Okay, this will come through friendship. That's what I feel. Okay, and you are going to restart your life in a very nice way. Second week there is a level up of your work. Means if you're doing work at this level, then the level is going to be little up. You're going one level up in your work. There are going to be many options and many offers coming your way at work, or many doors are going to open at work for you. Okay, many doors, and you're going to be very, there's a lot of movement at work in the second week. Everything is happening fast. Okay, third week. Now third week you're getting into your own fears, in your own thoughts, in your own confusion. You're closing yourself. Why Pisces are doing this? Why? I feel it is due to relationship fallout. There has been a lot of fallout in relationship. Somebody in your life has been trying to control you a lot, and that has even ruined your abundance in the past. So please try to come out of that. Do not be in self-doubt, because if that person is trying to manipulate you and make you doubtful to do any kind of work, that is a problem, right? Because here I see you're going into your shell, into your confusion, into your self-doubt. You don't want to do it because somebody is manipulating you, somebody is showing you not the correct picture, somebody is trying to spoil your relationships so that you don't benefit. So please be careful of that. Please be careful of that on the third week. Now fourth week, you are going to be a master of your work. See, once you've come out of this, you've seen this reading, there is a kind of a malicious person or a situation coming your way. You're not, going there. You're just walking with a lot of trust. The fourth week is amazing. Fourth week, you are being master of your work. You're doing everything amazingly. Also, there's a lot of show energy. Also, you're going to show also, see, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. There's a lot of show energy. And also I think people who are into media field, who are actors or who are into creativity, they will also have this whole social media boost or something happening in a good way for them. So yes, it's a good week, but be careful of the third week. If somebody is trying to control you through their words, through being emotional in front of you, so that to pull you back, please be careful of that. Otherwise, the first week, second week is amazing at work. Even the fourth week is amazing. Okay, let's see what we have in the relationship. Okay, so Pisces relationship. Let's see what we have in December. A lot of good energy, because back of the deck there is embracing a lot of beautiful energies. Okay. Wow. So I feel Pisces, you need to heal your heart chakra. Please do that. Why? I'll tell you. Because heart chakra, your heart is blocked because of your past experiences, or maybe you have an inner child issue. You have to put dedicated efforts in your relationship. If you're dedicated towards your relationship, only then it is going to be amazing. I feel you are also healing. You need a little bit of aura cleansing. So please do that. I have a lot of aura cleansing videos on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. Even now on YouTube Shorts, I've been putting videos, and I'm going to be putting more. I feel take a salt water bath, or just burn camphor, or just remove your nazar with little salt and mustard seeds. Please do that. Aura cleansing is very important. You are coming out of a time where you were having bad relationships around you. In the month of December, there's a lot of energy of quietly sitting and listening. Now, listen is not just listening to others, it is listening to yourself, listening to your own heart. Okay, so you need to listen to yourself. Or maybe you need to listen to what the universal message is coming to you. Sometimes there are a lot of universal messages coming, and we are ignoring out of the fact that we don't want to believe in them. There will be a lot of universal messages coming to you for your relationships. So please listen to that. There's a lot of solar plex energy. Loosen your control. Eat something yellow, donate something yellow, so that those controls will be loosened, and then you will have new vitality. Coming together in marriage or commitment with someone, or if you're already in a relationship, that relationship is going to get 10 times better. Pure love. Unconditional love. It's a beautiful energy in the month of December in relationship for you, Pisces, and it's going to be amazing. It's just about working on yourself. That's what you're going to do. Now, after watching my video, even more, isn't it? So please do your aura cleansing and just go for it. Okay, let's see what we have as a fairy message. Go outside. It's time to go outside. Tune into the powerful peace of nature wherever you are, and feel at one with your habitat. It's a beautiful message. Please take a screenshot and save it. It means you have to leave the old space and go towards people who are similar to you, who are in connection and more bonded to you. You need to leave your home and maybe go and connect with nature, where you can tune into the universal energies and take all the messages and absorb all the good energies. It's a very beautiful card and a very beautiful message. Go outside. Go outside also means go outside of what you were thinking in the past and leave that negative space and go into the more positive space. Right? So this is a beautiful message for you, Pisces. And take care. Be healthy. Call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Share it with family and friends. Share it as much as you can. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.